Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, it's a peaceful morning here on the Chesapeake. We're waiting for a new front to come through.
Yep, yeah. Hey, do I know you?
We're here to install our mainsail, install the battens in the mainsail. Finally, we've had to learn about this batten system that we have, and so we're going to have to install the battens. We might have to cut the battens to make them fit if they don't fit, and then we're going to install this mainsail. And then we're going to also have to install the new reef lines as well. So let's go get to work.
Hello everyone, hope that you are doing well. So we're here on the boat trying to get as much done as possible during the hours of daylight where there's sun, and we're getting a lot done and it feels really good.
So the first thing is we take the mainsail out and we lay it all out on a nice piece of the lawn. You know, this mainsail is so much thicker and so much heavier. It's like a completely different beast than our old 30-year-old mainsail, which felt light like a towel. But this is a pretty heavy-duty mainsail. And look at these battens. I mean, these battens are thick and it's just a whole nother beast. So we got to fit these battens in the sleeves, and that's the first order of business.
All right, I'm just thinking out loud, trying to figure this out based on our directions. So here's our first batten sleeve. And it's obviously the widest or the longest. And we have to put these two together. And they said, but once you do it, you know, you can't take them apart. So make sure you have them lined up correctly. So I'm assuming that's correct once we line them up. Then it says match the arrows. So I guess that means the arrows are pointing to each other. This says leech side. And that says luff. So again, that makes sense. And then also if you look at it, you can slide it in to the pocket here with this end. And then this end looks like where you put the rope and how you tension it. So I think that is what makes sense. What I don't know is if it's too long. So if it is too long, this end is tapered. So this end goes in here. And if we pretend it fits about there, then we go to this side, and if we do insert it to make it one piece, up to the mark they have there, then it looks pretty close to the edge of the sail. So I don't know if tensioning it will make it just the right size so it doesn't need to get cut. I don't know.
Some people call Saul, but when we need a sailing question answered, we call Jeff.
So the way that works is, yes, you take the rocket off it, you push the batten in, and you mark it with a pencil where the sailcloth hits the batten. You want to tension the cloth a little bit when you do it, and then you're going to measure in 2 inches from that pencil mark, and that's how you cut where you cut the batten. It should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully you were able to do that. Bye.
If it's supposed to be exactly to that, I guess maybe you're going to have to do it and push harder.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to have to push harder.
That's good.
think it might be a little bit too long.
We figured out that sometimes when you hit a roadblock, when you're trying to do something, you just got to stop and like pretend you didn't know anything and start all over again and rethink and try it in reverse. And what we thought we were supposed to put something under, actually it's supposed to be over. So once we did that, they just fit in perfectly. So, clever.
Hey, do I know you?
Yeah.
Spin around, spin around. You're the guy that helped me with my sail.
Yeah.
Yeah. New Smyrna.
Yeah. That's a nice dinghy. Nice hard bottom.
help us with a sail one time?
I don't remember it.